live on mainnet. Zen, do it. Let's do it. What is TokenMint? I mean, it's in the name. So TokenMint is its own sidechain on Horizen's ZEN sidechain interoperability Internet of Blockchains protocol. There's a chain dedicated to being able to mint your own token using custom tokenomics, and without any developer knowledge at all, you can launch a token in just a few minutes. Takes few steps to get Zen. Must be on exchanges, fiat gateways, and no account, no KYC, swap pages, simple swap, change now, transact. Refer to official project resources, Horizen.io/exchanges. You can see all the different places you can get Zen. It's a lot. It's called Horizen Global for a reason. ZEN, ZEN, native asset of the Horizen blockchain. Only real Zen in crypto is Horizen. No token contract. It is the mainnet currency of Horizen. A wallet, not your keys, not your crypto. Take custody of your own crypto. Purchase through Ledger, crypto steel capsule, and a slate where you already have the letters and pre-engraved. That's really the maximum security. You're like, house ever burns down, I'll still be able to go get my crypto steel and my crypto. Blog post here on TokenMint. Cobalt wallet link is right here in that blog.horizen.io/tokenmint-is-live-on-mainnet. The link to the Chrome store there. Wallet will work on any Chromium-based browser. So I'm on Brave right now. Does work on Microsoft Edge, Chrome, the one that I never use anymore. Add this extension and set up a wallet. We'll need to set up the Cobalt wallet, connect to the TokenMint sidechain, which is on mainnet. We'll need the official Sphere by Horizen wallet. Sphere by Horizen wallet right here. And I did already fund my wallet with a little bit more than 11 Zen. Now the cost to register a new fungible token on the TokenMint mainnet is 10 Zen. And then it costs 1 Zen to mint. So I am going to be minting a token, creating this tutorial to share out to everyone, show you how easy it is to use TokenMint and get you excited about the Horizen ecosystem. I am here, Zencash, Horizen OG, back since 2017. Hodl that Zen. Get some Zen swag at the swag store. Back to TokenMint. Have 11.3 Zen, and that is Zen on the main chain, which is a proof of work and multi-tiered node hybrid blockchain structure, approaching nearly 50,000 nodes, one of the largest, most distributed networks in crypto. Quite an accomplishment. Build through the bear market here. Keep Zen doing it. Switch to the TokenMint chain, with the green icon there. Go into your wallet. Cobalt wallet. I am on TokenMint sidechain, which is a chain built on Zendu, built on top Horizen main chain. So we are going to have to transfer the main chain Zen over to the TokenMint chain to my wallet address here. Be right back. Busy minting Zcat. Here's the Zencat and his owner. Mint some Zcat. The Sphere wallet with these at the same time. Pop this one up. So we got the Sphere over here. Cobalt wallet. We're on the TokenMint chain. I'm in my Zencat wallet. So we want to copy the address from Cobalt here on the TokenMint chain. The Sphere wallet doing here is we're going to make a withdrawal to a sidechain forward transfer transaction from the Horizen blockchain sidechain transaction.